Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Are you having trouble sending photos or videos through WhatsApp on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone, and this issue can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. In this guide, we'll go over all the possible reasons why WhatsApp may not be sending media, and more importantly, how to solve it. The problem of WhatsApp not sending photos or videos on an iPhone can happen for several reasons. These include unstable internet connection, lack of proper permissions, insufficient storage space, outdated app versions, or system bugs. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check your internet connection. WhatsApp needs an active and stable connection to send any media. Try opening Safari or YouTube to see if other apps can load content. If they're slow or not working, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. Step 2. Make sure WhatsApp has permission to access your photos. On your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down until you'll find and tap on WhatsApp. Make sure the access is set to all photos. If permission is set to none or selected photos, WhatsApp won't be able to attach images or videos from your gallery. Step 3. Check your iPhone's storage. If your device is running out of space, WhatsApp might not be able to process and send media files. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap General, click iPhone Storage and check how much space is left. If storage is almost full, try deleting unused apps or large files. Step 4. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. Sometimes, bugs in older versions of the app can prevent sending media. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if an update button appears, tap it. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches or background errors that may interfere with WhatsApp's functionality. Step 6. Disable VPN or data-saving apps. If you're using a VPN or any app that controls or limits data usage, try turning it off temporarily. These tools sometimes block WhatsApp's connection to its servers. Step 7. If none of the above works, reinstall WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure you back up your chats. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap Chats, click Chat Backup, and tap Backup Now. Once the backup is complete, delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store, log in, and restore your backup during setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and start sending photos and videos on WhatsApp from your iPhone without any problems. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.